You're on Trailvia channel. Today, I'm taking you on the world's shortest railway, a micro journey with mega history. In the heart of car-obsessed Los Angeles sits Angel's Flight, a tiny funicular that's just 298 feet long, about a city block. And the ride takes under a minute. Back in 1901, Colonel J.W. Eddy built it to help folks scale Bunker Hill, then a posh neighborhood of Victorian mansions. Two black and orange trams, Sinai Olivet, named after the biblical mountains, still climb a steep 33% grade on narrow 30-inch gauge tracks, counterbalanced and cable-drawn. Opening day, New Year's Eve 1901, more than 2,000 people rode it. By the 1940s, it carried around 4,000 passengers daily. Then came upheaval. Redevelopment leveled Bunker Hill, and Angel's Flight was dismantled in 1969. The cars sat in storage for decades while preservationists pushed to bring it back. Victory arrived in 1996. Angel's Flight reopened, half a block from the original spot, right across from Grand Central Market. A tragic accident closed it in 2001. Repairs brought it back in 2009. More closures followed, including a 2013 derailment with no injuries. After safety upgrades, it finally returned in 2017, and it's rolling today. Here's how to ride. Hop on at the Boar's lower station on Hill Street and glide up to the water court. It's $1 each way, or 50 cents with a Metro card. Open daily, 6:45 a.m. to 10 p.m., holidays included. Grab tacos or a donut at Grand Central Market, then take the tiniest victory lap in LA screen buff. You've seen it. Angel's Flight pops up in books, TV, video games, and over 100 movies, from La La Land to cult classics. Other bite-sized rails. Vatican City's National Railway runs under 1,000 feet. Britain's Stourbridge branch line is just 0.8 miles. In Canada, Fort George Railway chugs a little over a mile with a 1912 steam engine. If this micro journey made you smile, like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel. See you on the next tiny track with a huge story. Trailvia channel.